Today we discuss about the analog and digital communication. Here we having three terms: analog, digital and communication. Okay, so among these three, first we go for the communication. We will discuss about this communication. What is communication? Sharing of information between two points or two places is communication. The process of exchanging the messages or information from one place to another place or between the two points is communication. The best example of communication is mobile communication, and our video lecture also communication. Okay, so coming to the mobile communication, if you call up your friend, okay, so then your friend is receive your call, then you pass your information or your message to your friend, okay, through a medium. Okay, so here medium is air or free space. Okay, so that medium is called channel. Okay, so here you are the sender and your friend is receiver, that is destination. Okay, so for the effective communication, here we require three blocks. One is sender and another one is channel and last one is receiver, that is destination. Okay, so another name of sender is called transmitter. Okay, so the destination another name is receiver. Okay, so using the channel we can communicate the sender and receiver. So this channel is called communication channel. Okay, the basic block diagram of this communication system is here. Here you see information source, input transducer, transmitter, communication channel, their chance of adding noise, and next receiver, output transducer and destination. Okay, so this total block, information source, input transducer and transmitter, this total is called transmitter section. Okay, so this is called receiver, output transducer and destination is called receiver section. Okay, so here information source will generate the information. Okay, so here the message or information will be generated. Okay, so that information may be in the form of video, computer data, code or image. Okay, so our information is transmitted in the form of signals. Okay, so the signals convey the information. Okay, so that signals we can express in terms of independent variable and dependent variables. Okay, so the independent variables we can take on the x-axis and the y-axis we can take the dependent variable. Okay, so here is a one signal, sinusoidal signal. This signal I will represent in the form of t and amplitude v. Okay, so now here the information is generated. Okay, so that is given to the input transducer. Here transducer is convert one form to another form. Okay, so here our information is in non-electrical form. Okay, so that will be converted into the electrical form by the transducer. Okay, so now the information is given to the transmitter. Okay, so here in this transmitter we having amplifiers and encoders. Okay, so amplifiers will amplify the signal. Okay, so that means it boosts up the signal, it strengthens the signal for the longer distances. Okay, so encoder encodes the signal, that is code the signal, it converts the signal into the bits. Okay, so that generated our information is transmitted or passing through the communication channel. Okay, so based on the medium we can classify this communication channel into two types. One is wired communication and another one is wireless communication. Okay, so in the wired communication, transmitter and receiver will connected by the communication medium, that is through a twisted pair cables, coaxial cables and optical fiber cables. The best example of wired communication is telephony system. Okay, so coming to the wireless communication, between the transmitter and receiver there is no physical connection, but in that in between those sender and receiver channel is there, that channel is free space. Okay, so the best example of wireless communication is radio communication and our mobile communication. Okay, so there is a chance of noise is added in the communication channel. Okay, so noise will be added in the communication channel. Noise is also one type of signal. That signal is unwanted signal. Okay, so this noise also two types. One is man-made noise and another one is natural noise. Okay, so coming to receiver block, in the receiver section we having receiver, output transducer and destination. Okay, so here receiver block having the decoders, amplifiers and mixers. Okay, so in the transmitter side, encoder will encode our signal, that means converted into bits. Okay, so the opposite operation is done in the receiver section. Okay, so in the receiver we using the decoder. Decoder will decode the signal. Okay, so decode the signal. Okay, so that means bits are converted into the form, signal form. Okay, so now amplifiers. Okay, so here also amplifier will boost up our signal, incoming signal. Okay, so mixer is nothing but adding of signals. Okay, so it will add the input signals. Okay, so now the our information or signal is given to the output transducer. Okay, so this transducer convert signal from one form to another form. That means here if it is electrical form, it convert into non-electrical, and it is non-electrical form, it converted into electrical form. Okay, so here next one is the destination. Destination is our application. Okay, so whether it is loudspeaker, anything. Okay, so this is about the basic block diagram of communication system.